Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Super Nova. In this video I'll show you how to remap controller on Switch. In the beginning, let's go to System Settings, scroll down and go to Controllers and Sensors. Select Change, Controller Mapping, select Pro Controller and change. Now select button you would like to remap and select new function for the button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.